in our next machine shop practical session. We are going to do this job with this given dimension, in which we will do plane turning as well as taper turning. The major diameter size is 32 mm, minor 24 mm, length of 32 mm diameter is 35 mm, and length of this taper is 25 mm. The angle of taper you have to calculate, and according you have to set the compound rest. We have this side, this dimension and this dimension. Using this you have to calculate this angle with trigonometry. So we will be having raw material of 35 mm diameter. This is our raw material, and it has a diameter of 35 mm. That means 3 mm more than required. Our major diameter size is 32 mm, and the length of this job is 65 mm, and our final length of our job is 60 mm. That means 5 mm more, and this has been cut in slant. The cut is not parallel to the axis of the job, so we have to do facing, and we have to make parallel to the axis first. We are fixing the job in chuck. Rotate the chuck. It's not true. The axis of job and axis of chuck is not matched. In our last session we saw how to true it, how to true the job. For that we use one tool called surface gauge. Here we can use these grooves, this circular grooves made on this chuck as a reference for truing the job. You can see, select any one portion point of this jaw. This is the movable jaw, independent jaw, which moves independently, not like 3-jaw chuck. In 3-jaw chuck, when you rotate chuck key, all the 3 jaw moves simultaneously towards center or away from the center. Here every jaw, this is a 4-jaw chuck, every jaw moves independently. You can see this part of this portion of jaw, you can see this corner, this line is matching with this groove. See the opposite jaw of it. This was jaw number 4, its opposite is jaw number 2. Jaw number 2, the same portion of jaw is matching with second groove line. So that's why the job is not in the center of chuck. We will adjust this both the jaw accordingly. 4 सांगता. हां, थोडासा रोटेट करून बघ.
काय यार यांचं